Hello, some viewers. How are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, today we are going to discuss the introduction of Appium. What is Appium and why is this tool very famous in the market for mobile testing and all? Let us see an introduction video for this Appium. In the later videos, we can go in depth and discuss more about Appium features, how Appium works, etc. What is Appium? It is an open source mobile automation tool. Appium works across the platforms. It is not specifically built for Android or specifically built for iOS. It is a cross-platform testing tool. What platforms? Let's say it supports Android and iOS. It also works for native apps, the apps which are specifically designed for mobile base, for especially for Android phones or especially for iOS phones that has no interactions with the web. For those apps also APM supports, and also hybrid apps. It also supports the hybrid apps. The apps which are not only specifically designed for Android and iOS, it also has a features which will navigate to the main browser like Chrome, Edge. The features will navigate to the browser. Those are called hybrid apps. Even for those apps, mobile automation tool APM supports. Other features, guys, it supports Webdriver, Selenium Webdriver. Yes. So all the features of Selenium Web API, Webdriver API supports, and it is basically in the Selenium family. Basically, if you know Selenium, so this APM course will have a smooth flow to it. And you can use any language. I prefer Java, so I'll be using Java in this course. So that's it for the video, guys. It's a small introduction for Appium. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.